Hello everyone, myself Alok Datta. Welcome to my channel Knowledge Ocean. Today our topic of study is class 9 civics chapter constitutional design. As the name denote its meaning itself, that it deal with the making of the constitution. Before starting our topic, we should know what is a constitution. In a democracy, the rulers are not free to do what they like. There are certain basic rules that a citizen and the government have to follow. All such rules together are called constitution. The constitution as supreme power of the country determine the rights of citizen, power of the government and how the government function. In this chapter we will study the constitution of the two countries, that is South Africa and India. So our first part is the formation of the democratic constitution in the South Africa, and under which we will study the first part, that is the struggle against the apartheid system. During the 17th and the 18th century, the trading companies from the Europe occupied South Africa with arms and the force. Unlike India, a large number of the whites had settled in South Africa and become the local ruler. The system of apartheid divided the people and leveled them on the base of the skin color. The apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination. The native people of South Africa are black in color. They made up about 3/4 of the population and were called blacks. Beside these two groups, there were the people of the mixed races who were called colored and the people who migrated from India. The white rulers treated all the non-white as inferior. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks. They were forbidden from living in the white area. The trains, bus, taxis, hotel, hospital, school, college, library, cinema hall, theatre, beaches, swimming pools, public toilets, all were separate for whites and black under the policy of segregation. They could not even visit the churches where the white worship. Since 1950, the blacks color against the apartheid system. They launched their protest, march and strike. The African National Congress was the umbrella organization that led to the struggle against the policy of segregation. This includes many workers' union and the Communist Party. Nelson Mandela and 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 for opposing the apartheid system. He spent the next 28 years in South Africa's most deadliest prison, that was in the Robben Island. So in this way, in the first video I have told you about the apartheid system. Now in my second video I will tell you about the protest and the struggle which lead to the formation of the new constitution in South Africa. Till then, you have to subscribe my channel, like this video and please share this video as much as you can. Please do comment. Till then, thank you, Jai Hind and keep smiling.